Alright, YouTubers, here we have this banvil Envirofan gold line. It was originally white, so Mark Wilson painted it brown. I got this from him at a trade. Been looking for another one of these. Like the older version, like this. Unfortunately, the tag got painted over, but I'm assuming this one will be close to the other one I have. Because if I look at the canopy, and the one I used to have that died on me. Same label and same shape, so I think we're in the same area. Didn't have any mounting hardware. Luckily, I had spare. Does not have a canopy though, so I gotta find a brown canopy or a white canopy and paint it. So if anyone has an extra canopy, I'll be on the lookout for that. Let's go ahead and put it on low. Shown on the Dayton 3-amp variable speed control. Pretty good low on it. We're going to go for a more medium speed on this thing. Not bad, not bad. Good here already. Leslie. Nice. Powerful motor. Moving if we were to pull the R36. H36. So yeah, very happy to have another one of these in my collection again. I may actually be getting a second one on white eventually for trade I gotta do with Chris. So hoping to get that out of the way sometime soon. Let's go and do spin down. It's funny because I did actually have the extra canopy, but I just sold it for another fan I sold to Peter Kasane. It is what it is, so I'll find another canopy for this, and then, I mean, even if it's a bell canopy, it's something to cover up the top. I'm probably going to see if I can touch up the brown paint, just leave this one brown. I know it's not originally brown, but it is what it is. It's odd because it looks like it's got two different shades of brown. The motor's a different shade than the blades, and like the upper canopy is a different shade. I'm not sure what that's about. Still cool, very happy to have this fan. And yeah. I actually did get another fan from Mark Wilson. I'll probably test it next. It's a Newtone Pro line. I got the 48-inch version with 4 blades. I might as well get the 56-inch with 3 blades, so that's what I have. I'll be testing that probably right after this fan. Definitely a keeper. Need some touch-up, but very cool fan overall. Bearings are in good shape, and it works as it should. No shorts on this one, like the one I tried repairing. So, very nice. And there we go. Thanks for watching.